So today we are going to discuss about most important topic, level of detail expressions in Tableau. So what exactly the level of detail expression? So level of detail expressions are like a calculated field. Instead of bringing them the, the calculation complex calculations into the Tableau interface. Interface is nothing but this is the view. Instead of doing the calculation at a view level, you can do the data source level. So this is called the data source. You have to do all the calculation at the data source level, bring that values into your view. So the definition is level of detail expressions are used to run complex queries involving many dimensions and measures in the data source level instead of bringing all the data to Tableau interface. So this is the official definition. By seeing all the examples, you can easily understood what is LOD and where we use. There are three different types of LODs. The first one is fixed LOD, and second is include. Third one is exclude LODs. The first one is fixed LOD. So what fixed LOD is do? It computes the values using the specific dimensions without reference to any other dimension in the view. So, so before going to the official definition, we would like to see the scenario. I would like to show the details of region wise, my manager sales, and also region wise sales in the same view. For example, I'm going to take the example is such a scenario like I'm going to take it as segment level. I have segment. I would like to see segment wise, region manager wise sales. So I'm drag and drop here, and I'm going to put sales onto the columns. So I'm going to enable label. So these for segment wise, region manager wise, I got the sales, and also I'm going to put one more sales here. Instead of showing the sales with respect to each manager level, I would like to show overall segment level sales amount here. So how we are going to do that? So I'm going to clear that. First, I'm going to put segment wise sales and drag and drop sales into the columns. Now I got sales for each segment level, and I want to show each region manager level here. But what it is happening, it is going to be to the detail level, because in Tableau always whatever the fields you are adding here, so that much granular level data will populate in your view. So here my highest is segment, lowest is region manager. So it is the most lower ground level of data I'm getting. But I want along with this data, I have to show segment level data like this. This number also I would like to see for consumer in the same view. So how we are going to achieve this? To achieve that, I need to create one calculated field. I'm going to make it as fixed LOD. Now here, always remember fixed LOD start with flower braces, this curly braces, and the keyword is fixed. And I want to see data at segment level. So I'm fixing the calculation at segment level. I'm typing segment, and what kind of aggregation I'm doing? I want total sales. That means sum of sales. Sum of sales. Close the aggregation function and close the fixed LOD. This flowery basis needs to close. the calculation is valid. Okay. Now I got fixed L body calculation field. Click on OK. Drag and drop this fixed L body beside the sum of sales. So what you are achieving for consumer, each manager wise sales and overall sales. So in a simple manner, you can get it over here. Segment and sales. So what is my overall total for segment? 1161401. 1161401. And here I'm showing both segment level sales along with each region manager level sales. Now, when it comes to the official definition to the fixed L body, the expression computes the values using the specific dimensions without reference any other dimensions in the view. That means the calculation, this is a fixed one. The calculation computes data at a specific dimension level without referencing any other dimensions in the view. So what we have other dimension region manager. It ignores the region manager and it computes the values at segment level. That's what we did. That is called fixed L body. This expression computes the values using the specific dimension without reference to any other dimension in the view. This is the syntax.